Icigo iria cikaragwo ni aruti a wira mahua kaunti-ini ya Naivasha ni imwe cia iria cikuruhanitio na namba nene ya macira ma kwagarara ihoto cia kimundu oro hamwe na mbara cia Kímucií guku gukirikana ati gharama ya iguru ya mutúríre, mirimu ya meciria oro hamwe na uhuthiri wa dawa cia kurebia ni ucangiire hanene hari mitugo ino. Akiaria ari mwena wa kihoto John Kinuthia uria ni mutabania uhoro-ini wigie mbara cia Kímucií Naivasha augite ati ni mamukagira riboti cia mbara ici hamwe na cia uhahami oro wiki kuma guku migunda-ini ino ya mahua.
Issues of gender-based violence has been so rampant. We have been receiving at most in every week we have been receiving 3 or 4 cases, mostly domestic violence and also defilement. Defilement cases has been on rise and also domestic violence.
Icigo iria cigomeirwo makiria ni kihoto, KCC, Karagita, Mai Mahiu, Kabati, Maella, oro umwe na South Lake kuria macira ma kuhanda gwa ciana nini na ihiko cia tene cionekaga o gwakĩa.
Where we are today, where we are celebrating this day, Kihoto, there is a lot of domestic violence. One of our response champion here told us in a span of like 1 to 2 days, she have to receive like 3 cases of domestic violence, defilement also, and also early marriages and teenage pregnancies. It is so rampant here at Kihoto. We have also Karagita, Mai Mahiu because of the transit. We also have issues, other issues at Kinungi, Kinamba, KCC, and also in Maella that have been reported to our desk.
Kuringana na MCA wa Maella Gituko augite ati ciiko ici irahaneka ni undu wa ukĩa uria ugumiire aikari a guku oro hamwe na wagi wa mawira.
The reason why gender-based violence is very rampant in Maella is because of economic disadvantages that come with the climate in Maella. We don't have economic activities, and because of this level of poverty, you find that it is promoting gender-based violence.
Na kuongerera ati ona athuri mari na mathina maingi maria mageragira na agaikiarite na kurio kwiyumiria nigetha mateithike.
Remember, gender violence is for even men. We have men who have also been suffering quietly. We are telling them, now come out. We'll have counselors. We'll have people who can be able to guide you so that you will be able to also be protected from violence among the family setups.
Migwe uria ni mundu uria wina wathe kuma mwena uyu augite ati kaingi na kaingi aria magumagirwo ni andu aria mari na mawathe kuona matingihota gwiteithura na ona matwara cira kuri borithi matigwithanagia nao kuona gutire mundu ungimateithia kwaria na cieko.
To gender and sexual based violence, most times people with disabilities are normally a forgotten lot, and even with their rights, hawajui rights zao. If you take a deaf person going to seek justice for sexual based violence in our country, if you go to the gender desk, you'll never find a sign language interpreter. So what does that tell you? That person in themselves hawatapata haki kwa sababu hatuelewani. I myself, I have cerebral palsy, and being a woman, at most times you're placed at a disadvantage because hawezi kimbia, hawezi teta, and everybody thinks they're doing you a favor.
Handu-ini ha Muthingi TV ni njitagwo Wambui wa Maina.